Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to give you an update on the Rockfort Mineral Bath. We wanted to give you a tour inside, but it is closed today. But the facility recently reopened. It's not open 7 days a week. It's just open a few days for the week, or on certain days, and today is not one. So this is the facility on the left. And we are right beside Carib Cement out in Rockfort. So we're going to go through an article that gives more information on this mineral bath. The Rockfort Mineral Bath complex in Kingston, which was closed during the COVID-19 pandemic, has reopened to the public following extensive renovation work undertaken by Caribbean Cement Company. The reopening follows the completion of the first phase of what is anticipated to be a 5-year rehabilitative program being undertaken under a 25-year lease agreement with CCCL, in partnership with the Jamaica National Heritage Trust and the Ministry of Culture, Gender, Entertainment and Sport. Phase 1 of the rehabilitation, which officially commenced in December 2024, including the upgrading of the bathroom facilities, modernizing of changing rooms, installation of new plumbing fixtures, and the strengthening of the security system. Upcoming phases of the project are expected to see the buildings out of accommodations with the aim of transforming the facility into a premier heritage and wellness destination. Minister of Culture, Gender, Entertainment and Sport, Honorable Olivia Grange, reopened the facility during a ceremony on August 21st. She noted that the reopening is the realization of one of our priority targets for this year. The minister argued that the facility is an important heritage and health site in Kingston, especially among elderly Jamaicans. As the government of Jamaica continues to open up opportunities for the Jamaican people to access a healthy and productive lifestyle, locations like Rockfort Mineral Bath have a role to play, Mrs. Grange affirms. Alright guys, that is the end of the update article. Let us know what you think. Leave your comments in the section below. And we'll come back and give you a tour of the inside of the facility. Alright guys, have a good day.